That makes me feel that.
What is that? What are you?
Do something, cat.
I kinda wanna feel again. Oh God, I wanna feel again.
Bailey, what'd you do? Your feet are all muddy. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
I love eating chicken. What the fuck? You always Are you shit fucking me right now? Here you go.
And it went like.
Hey Frankie, did you hear? The neighbor's dog got pregnant. Do you know anything about this?
Hey, Domina. You're adopted.
You guys, I've heard the sex noises, I've seen the drama and the tears, and there's no way.
Do I smell some doggy treats? Oh yeah, that is dog food. Ah, that's just too bad. Oh wait, is that actually pizza? Yeah, that's pizza. But my dog's not here. Only if I had a dog to help me eat this pizza. But, oh!
Put your hand in mine. You know that I won't stop until I...
You want to eat? No, it's not time. You just ate.
Wait, what are you doing? Why are you still peeing? Magna! What the... Oh my god! Magna!
Bless you. Bless you.
Indra, this is Charles Pike.
You good?
He was a teacher in the Ark.
I'm told all the time that my job must be so fun because I get to play with dogs all the time, but this dude has been screaming the entire battle. Okay, let's Let's see how this works out. Okay. You good? This is Boo's time to shine.